Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Go to the settings and tap to Google Assistant section and then to Hey Google and voice match. Here you will see Hey Google switcher. Just tap on the switcher to turn off this option and confirm your action by tap to OK. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.